put a primer on the frame yesterday. I gotta get some more black paint to finish painting it. And then I flip this on its back, on the back of it, that way I can see underneath of it, that way I can see what all needs to be done and how bad all the rot was on it. Cab corners have to be replaced. The floor pans, I put a temporary floor pan in it just for now. I gotta get a good one though. But the doghouse fine, assembled the doghouse and got it in the shop. That way I can figure out what all needs to be done on it. And I'm most definitely pretty sure I'll probably have to replace this. But I'll see if I can't fix it. Might be able to. The inner fenders, might be able to fix. I don't know yet. Got the grill. Needs to be bent back into shape. But other than that, it's good. I got most of all the trim for the interior. And then I got the headlight bezels and everything. So yeah, I expect more videos soon.